In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Uber Eats not working. So first thing you need to do is go to settings, navigate to your settings and go to the apps. After going to the app section, go to manage apps. After going to manage app, go ahead and scroll it down, wait for it to load. Scroll down until you go ahead and find Uber Eats. So just wait for it until you find the app. Okay. Now that you find Uber Eats, click it. Then go click storage. You go ahead and clear data. Click the clear data on the bottom or clear cache. After clicking that, go ahead and back it. Then you could go ahead clear data here or force stop. Then go back to the home page. You can go in and install it first if you want to. But first you can also go and go back to home page, go to Play Store, search for Uber Eats, then search if there's an update, or if there are none, go ahead and install it again. And that's it.